I'm gonna tell you guys how I made $1,000 before I hit 1K subs on my other YouTube channel. So for the longest time, I've had 3,000 subscribers on my Instagram channel. And I think I had about 500 to 700 subscribers on my YouTube channel. And I kept seeing this thing pop up on my Instagram channel. And it was from Amazon. It said, hey, we want you to join Amazon affiliate program. And I was like, no, I don't want to do that. That doesn't, you can't make any money off that. But then finally, you know what? I was like, let's just give it a shot, because I just kept seeing it. So a couple months later, as I'm working on my other YouTube channel, I decided to sign up. I already had an Amazon account anyway, so I was already using it. And I signed up, and they're like, well, you got to upload 3 videos. And I'm like, 3 videos of what? So I read the manual, read the instructions, and it just says to show yourself wearing a product that's sold on Amazon. So all right, that's easy. Let's look for stuff around the house. So I ended up grabbing 3 different products and just filmed myself for like 30 to 45 seconds, guys, and uploaded them. Got approved within like 2 days, and I'm like, wow, this is cool, awesome. Well, guess what, guys? It gets even better. There's a thing called Creator Connection, where you sign up for products, and the brands send you the products for free. They don't charge for shipping, and you basically just make a video talking about it for like 30 to 45 seconds. And I did that, and I was like, wow, this is really cool. And then I ended up writing a brand. It was a PA company. They sell loudspeakers, and they're like, hey, we'll give you a speaker for free if you make I think it was like up to a minute video. And I was thinking like it's gonna be a little dinky speaker, but it wasn't. It was a big PA speaker. And I looked it up. I looked up the price, $250 for the speaker. I couldn't believe it. I was like, hell yeah, let's do it. So I ended up making a minute video, long video. I like planned it, I scripted it, I did my best, because I wanted to, I wanted to get more work from these guys. Next thing you know, they ended up texting me. They're like, hey, we love your video. Can you make us another one? And I was thinking, oh, they just want me to make another video for the same speaker, And they're like, we'll send you a different speaker. I'm like, what? No way. Awesome. They ended up sending me another speaker that was worth $350. I could not believe it. I was like, this is so cool. So I'm thinking to myself, I'm like, oh my God, like I could literally like just keep doing this all day and like grab those speakers, whatever they send me, and just sell them online. I was stoked. I'll be honest with you. And I have about $550 worth of equipment now. Making the second speaker, I did that. I ended up doing that. And anyway, after that, I ended up getting inspired. I'm like, oh my God, like there's got to be like a thing out there where you promote products, but you don't have to have a lot of followers on any social platform, because I don't. Next thing you know, I find out a thing called UGC, user generated content. And for those of you who don't know what it is, it's basically those little ads that you see like on TikTok or on Instagram, and it's just a random person promoting a brand's product. That's all it is. And I learned about that. It's basically what I did for Amazon. And I'm like, all right, let me learn this. So I watched a couple of YouTube videos, and I grabbed some products around the house, made some videos, and then I looked up a couple web pages. I looked into it, and I found out that there's UGC platforms. And I'm like, oh, this is cool. And then I find out that they pay anywhere, depending on the platform, depending on your portfolio. I'll talk about that here in a second. $50 to $150 per video. And they give you the script. Imagine that. It's even easier. So I ended up doing that. I ended up creating a portfolio. I made some more videos with stuff around the house, made my portfolio, uploaded it to a web page called Join Brands. And that's one of many, guys. And I couldn't believe it, because I was like, $100 for a video? Like, it only takes me a half hour to make a video. Like, it'll take me maybe like 15 minutes to shoot it if I really want to shoot a well-made one, and then maybe a half hour, 40 minutes to edit it, because it's really short. You don't have to add like any special effects or anything like that. So I ended up doing that, guys. I ended up taking a couple, or signing up, and then a couple brands had accepted me, and I ended up taking a couple pictures, and I ended up making like $20 here, $20 there for one picture. And you can kind of throw a couple extra in for just as a bonus, guys. You know, you want to look good. So I ended up doing that. Next thing you know, guys, my PayPal says I have $150. So I kept doing that, just little by little, guys. And next thing you know, I have $250, $300. So what I'm trying to say here, guys, is that you can make $1,000 easily without having 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. Why does YouTube help? Because if you show that you have subscribers on different platforms, there's brands out there that are willing to send you a free product, and you just have to make a video for them, and you can sell those products. And you obviously can negotiate with them. If you can find a deal off, like that's not like through a brand, through a platform, and you can reach out to a brand, and you can make a lot more. But I'm just talking about like small stuff here, and I made $1,000. I couldn't believe it. So that's something, that's a side hustle that I don't think a lot of people talk about. There may be a lot of YouTube videos about like UGC, and they're not that very popular, to be honest, because I haven't seen a lot of views on these videos. But not a lot of people talk about like, hey, go to Amazon and then, you know, try to sign up for the affiliate program, and don't worry about like trying to sell on Amazon. Just reach out to these brands, get them to send you free products, and then the more expensive the product, the better. And while you do that and you sell these things on eBay, on OfferUp, on Facebook store, while you do that, you can build your portfolio, and then you can sign up on these UGC platforms, which doesn't take a lot, guys. It really doesn't. And you can make side money. And this is all while you build your following or your followers on YouTube. Because I think that's what everybody wants to do. A lot of people that are on YouTube are not just watching videos. They want to create a YouTube channel. So I think this is a really, really cool side hustle that can really help you a lot. Help you make 1,000 or more. I'll be honest with you. I think if I would have spent more time on it, I could make more than 1,000. And what's really cool now is that I've saved up enough to buy myself a brand new computer, because my computer's old, guys. I've had it for like 4 or 5 years now, and you got to keep up with technology, like I explained in my other videos. So now that AI's out, I need to push videos fast. I need to, you know, to have a powerful machine that's going to work for me. So guys, if you like this video, drop a comment down below. If you have a question, give me a like. And if you want to see more of this, you want me to keep pumping these videos out like this, hit that subscribe button, guys. Thank you a lot. Ciao.